Look, there's no question a blue wave would have been good for the muni market. But look, we got part of that to some degree. The market does like status quo. Clearly, the equity market likes status quo. There are things that get done at the state and local level that don't have to worry too much about the federal level. The muni market's been up this week. It's had a good week. We believe that there's good technicals in the muni market. We believe that stimulus is on the horizon. Maybe not as big as it would have been in a blue wave, but we think that the muni market is in really good shape, certainly for the next couple of months to end the year and going into 2021 with, the way that it looks like the election has shaken out. You can be a little bit disappointed.
Yeah.
I think a blue wave, we would have got a lot of things, but you don't always get everything.
Well, would it make a difference? So if the Senate goes Democratic, does it make a difference to you in terms of the outcome, or is it going to have very little practical difference whether it's technically controlled by Democrats or Republicans?
So I know we got the runoff in Georgia coming up. I think that a stimulus package is going to be passed no matter what. I think the size of the stimulus package may depend on whether you get a Democratic-controlled Congress or not. But we really don't need the huge numbers that are being thrown out there. A stimulus package would certainly help states and localities. There's no doubt about that. But, even if we get a smaller package, I think that could be of good help, too. Remember that states and localities can raise taxes. They can cut spending. They can, take the buoyancy here of the economy. We got a good jobs number today. The economy's doing well. So it's no doubt it would certainly be a good, more of a positive for the muni market. But I think the muni market's in good shape, even with a divided government.
Final question, Mark. For a state like Illinois, which is among the worst credits out there, they didn't go to the progressive tax. I think they stuck with the flat tax, right? Are they going to get downgraded to junk? What would the ramifications of that be?
Yeah, we'll have to see about the downgrade. There's still some time there. They can raise the tax. They can raise the flat tax. They can do that. They can cut spending. And the important thing about Illinois is to note that they have had absolute active access to the marketplace. They've brought a few long-term deals to the marketplace, and they're using the municipal liquidity facility, too. So they're getting a lot of liquidity from the government. The Fed is keeping rates low. They're borrowing at a little bit more than a penalty, obviously, but they're getting good access to the marketplace. And just by even raising the flat tax number up a little bit, they can get a lot of revenue from that, too. We'll have to wait and see for the downgrade. But bonds are trading cheaper than if they did get downgraded. We actually bought some bonds this week that we thought they were very attractive.
Oh, interesting. Okay, make sure people caught that you actually thought they got cheaper than they should with that potential junk status coming. Mark, thank you. Mark Paris from Invesco talking us through the muni market.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.